This is going to be a quick review of the Likewise Ghost Ghost shift knob. Alright, let's open her up. I guess unboxing as well. So there's the back side. I'm not going to do the front side because it has my address and all that. So, cut her open. Always cut away from yourself. She's getting a little dull. Oh. Alright, let's see what we got here. Nice, guys. Alright, what else we got here? We got a nice Likewise sticker. We got a couple more stickers maybe. Alright, so here is the boxed Likewise shift knob. It's a fun looking shift knob. I really wanted something less OEM looking, more personalized. Also got a white VB WRX, which it's going to go into. Let's see what else we got in here. It comes with the Likewise Ghost keychain. Let's open it up real quick. Oh, got some Ghost Ghost stickers as well. So we got the two little stickers right here. Throw them over here for now. We got the Ghost Ghost, and you can see it has a Likewise on it. A little keychain. Put it somewhere. Right here for right now though. And then we got the adapter so that the shift knob fits in this nice green. It's a M12 by 1.25 millimeters for a Subaru WRX. I like this green. Ignore my dirty nails. And it comes with the Allen key, which you don't really need to look at. I'm gonna throw this over here. I think that's all it comes with. Double check the box real quick. Yeah, alright, we can put that aside. Alright, so it kind of opens up like a phone box. Let's get that plastic up. Oh, pretty thick plastic. Alright, let's open her up. I like that. Nice. And there we go. We have our Ghost. Ooh, this is a nice feeling shift knob. Feels kind of like a rubber coating. If you didn't buy the Ghost Ghost, yours would basically look like this without the fringe at the bottom. But I opt in for the Ghost Ghost, so we get some ghost eyes. I like it. It's going to go with the WRX really well. Feels like good quality. I thought it said Likewise at the bottom. I guess I was wrong. Got the Likewise engraved right here, so maybe that's what its replacement was. Very nice. Good feel. It's light, not heavy. Don't have a scale to weigh it. So let's go throw this into the car.